our way to Copart, pick up our next project. Driving through a winter storm today. GPS has us getting there in about 3 hours and 40 minutes. Well, we got an appointment time of 3 o'clock at Copart. Our GPS has us arriving at 3:21. Not much snow here in Pennsylvania. Doesn't look like the storm came through here, or maybe it's going to be coming through here after we leave. Maybe we'll hit on the way home. Hopefully this car starts. Spent a lot of money. You don't know what you're getting. It's got a front end collision. All the oil could have leaked out of it. Somebody could have tried to start it. Motor could be bad. Somebody could have ran it without coolant, blowing the motor that way. Who knows? Well, hopefully we got a good car. Then we got to try to source some parts, or possibly buy another car that's maybe smashed in the rear. We could source parts off of that.
In 2 miles, take exit 194 to merge onto US 6 West toward I-476 South.
So we'll see. It's a big gamble, a lot of money. Drive about 4 hours to go get this car. First time doing it. So we'll see what happens. I guess everything's a gamble. We'll either hit a home run or we'll lose. Who knows? See you there probably about an hour and 20 minutes. Well, we're about a half an hour away from Copart. Going through this tunnel is pretty cool. Weather's good, no snow here. Very minimal snow on the ground, not snowing or raining. Roads are fairly dry, so we should be able to get there on time. Not sure how long it'll take when we get there. Probably got to go inside and grab some paperwork and allow them time to go pick the car out and load it up, and we'll strap her up and hopefully not be there too long. Starting to get a little dark, so I don't know how good of a video I'll be able to take when I get back to the house. We'll take a look at the car. We loaded it and left, so I have no idea what kind of damage we're looking at. I'll shoot a video with you guys and show you step by step what's wrong with the car, and hopefully we get a good deal.
Take the exit to merge onto I-81 towards Binghamton, then keep left to...
Alright, back home. It's the next day. Got the car off the trailer. Just gonna do a little video of the car. Just got a little dirty on the ride home. It's not in bad shape. All the damage seems to be on that front, the front passenger side. Some nice wheels on it, factory wheels. I had to take the mirror off. It was kind of flapping around to get it home. Let's see what we got under the hood. Let's see. So I got a little bit of damage there to the radiator support. Don't think we'll be able to use this headlight. Windshield washer bottle, that's destroyed. Frame there looks pretty good there. Doesn't appear to have any damage, looks perfect. This apron's pushed in a little bit over here. Radiator support is pushed in. Probably have to replace some stuff over here. Obviously the hood's toast. This fender, we'll have to replace that. Other than the front of the apron, it looks pretty good. Back part of this thing's in good shape. We'll have to see if we can pull this out. If not, we'll have to replace it. Radiator seems to be intact. Not too bad. So we'll have to get a mirror, a fender, a hood, radiator support, a headlight, windshield washer bottle. Not sure if the coolant bottle got touched. Yeah, looks empty. So this might even have a crack in it. So we might have to look at pressure testing it. Other than that, it looks pretty clean under the hood. Let's see what the inside looks like. Oh, hopefully we can get in. Oh, that's nice. Nice little accent over here. So this is a 2020 SR Sentra. A little dirty in here, but we'll get her all cleaned up. 38,000 miles, actually 38,999. So we'll be hitting 39,000 miles pretty quick. Let's start it up. Oh, fired right up. Actually sounds pretty good.
Papa in the afternoon and
no airbags went off in here. Definitely needs a detail. Nice car though. Got some nice stitching on the dash. Leather steering wheel with the stitching on it. A lot of gadgets. I don't have what this stuff does. Got some malfunctions and some lights, which is to be expected. A lot of wires and things over there we gotta check through. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this car. Should hopefully be a pretty quick and easy fix. It's real nice. Oh. Take a look in the back seat. Again, needs to be cleaned up, but you know, nothing a little detail won't take care of. Overall, the car's not in bad shape. I pulled it off the trailer last night. This actually lights up, which is nice. And underneath, it's got lighting underneath the car. I assume it's factory. But it's got a lot of nice little features. Pretty much, I pulled off the trailer last night, parked it because we got in kind of late. Gonna try to assess what we got to do to this thing today, and you know, hopefully we'll have this thing fixed up pretty quick. Hopefully we can source some parts fairly easily, and I'll bring you along this journey.